reached again. Oh no, this guy can't chug the other way because he ran out coal. And he ran out coal. And who's gonna fix the tracks? Maybe I am. Aha. The normal track is there. Fix these two. Then they'll fix the other one. I pack rolling crowns. Who's gonna shut the right the giant? Who's gonna shut this guy to the coaling plant? It's right by Victor's steam. It's right under Victor's steamworks, and Victor has to go really careful on the old iron bridge because it might fall and the engine and into the swamps where the other engines are. And he needs to be very careful on this track too, and especially if we're going to take the mail cars to get some mail, and who's gonna get that? And the mail cars need to put mail. And so where's the mail place there, Jay? There are three places. The place where Diesel 10 isn't here, and the one where freight cars are, and Buckle on this guy, and over there is the buffer, and a place where the coal plant is. So which one is the mail thing?
I don't know, Gavin.
Well, here's the steamworks. And
You mean the post office?
no, this is the steamworks.
Where does the mail go?
After this guy in Boco, and after Boco, it's ready for these freight cars to get moved.
Where does the mail car go to?
They go right there, where the freight cars are in Boco.
Don't they go to the post office?
Well, over there, right here, is the post office where the freight cars are, and Buck was pulling them, and there was trouble up ahead. The freight cars went down a little bit of the old iron bridge, and suddenly Buckle didn't try because she ran out of diesel fuel, and all of the freight cars went down below, and until the tracks of the old iron bridges were ruined. Now diesel never can get across. Well, especially he can go straight ahead to get across. Oh dear, sing-a-dings. Oh, I can't go backwards. Help! Help! Don't worry, Diesel 10, I gotcha.